Hi guys, I feel like this is going to be the opening of a new vlog. So hi guys, welcome to a new vlog, and I'm starting this vlog off by my eyes. Anyways, welcome to a new vlog. If you're new on the channel, I do that. Welcome. I want to make jollof rice and I feel like I don't know what's wrong, but everything that I have cooked this week not given. Okay, except the sauce that I made, that sauce you guys saw in the last vlog. Except that sauce, every other thing. I made egusi this week and it's just like I don't know why. So I want to make jollof rice now, and I want to try making jollof like the popular recipe that you grill tomatoes and peppers and all of that. So I want to grill that, but I'll be using my air fryer. Sorry, I brought it out because I want to take it. And I've brought it. So I'm going to use my air fryer, and this is just my tiniest efforts in making sure that this jollof rice comes out well. We don't want food to waste in this house. I don't want it. It actually hurts me when I make food and it doesn't taste nice. Like my efforts. And for someone that does not really like cooking, I'm just trying so much to put myself into enjoying how to cook. So it hurts me when I make food and it doesn't taste well. I don't know what happened this past week. I don't know. I mean, this week we are in today's Friday. I don't know what happened. So this jollof rice has to be the one make up for every bad meal that I have made this week. Bring out tomatoes and pepper in the freezer so that I'll put it in the air fryer. Now that there is light, I feel like so it's just I'm making just for two of us, so just something simple. So another thing that I noticed is that I have not used any spice to cook this week. Like all of my spices that you guys know, I have not used any of it. It is that spice that is making my food sweet. Maybe it is that spice that is making my food taste good though. I don't know. There's a problem with. Let me get tomatoes and pepper and I'll be back. I feel like this might be too much, like this small bowl might be too much. I'm hoping that the jollof rice will be nice, that I'll be able to save for tomorrow, because I intend to make moi tomorrow so that we'll have it with the remaining jollof rice. I have not made moi in years. Pray for me. Actually guys, this ugu, so for someone that cook egusi so much, I feel like not having ugu at home nice. So I asked my husband to help me get ugu, and this ugu is for 500 naira. I feel like it's a good purchase, very economical. I'm going to wash this up and toast it. I don't even know how many minutes I'm meant to set it. So I'll do 10 and see what it looks like. So this is what I have that I'm going. Oh, the onions. So the thing is, I don't know if I am meant to put oil over it, or I am meant to just let it do its thing. I'll put a little bit of oil. You guys are not processing. So I was saying that I don't know if I'm meant to be. So I'm meant to turn my oil here, but I need funnel. The last time I did it with my hand, it really spilled over. So I'm just going to. You guys, we are going to pray over this. Okay. I'm not going to put it on. I'll put once. You guys are not saying. No. So I put a little bit of oil. What is that? So I put a little bit of oil. I don't know if you guys can just see. Just very little. So we put it on 60, 140. Then I'll put just 10 minutes. Then I'll check back. Guys, we're going to pray over this food together, okay? I'm going to pray. So guys, it's about 15 minutes after. I I increased the heat and also added like extra 10 minutes. I don't know if it is okay like this. It's actually looking like it's been grilled. I don't even know. I honestly don't know what I am doing. What it is looking like. I think I'll just let it stay a few more minutes, maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and bring it out. So this is 2 minutes after. I think it's okay like this. So I'm going to let it cool off a bit before blending it, because I can't put like, it's very hot, very hot. So I'm just going to let it cool off here. I'm also going to cook with my favorite pot. Maybe it is going to help things a bit. Maybe maybe, because we're already praying and hoping to God. Okay. Saying this party jollof thing, I'll use just one because I already have like a mix already. I bought two. I would buy like a dozen of it and just leave in the house instead of going to buy. The light just went. Thank God. So I don't know, as this top. So I'm going to put. Wait, I beg you. I'm just trying to cook for the man you gave me. This is my husband. Said let us order. And I'm like, why? Let me just try. Let me try. Then if I don't get it, we'll order. Okay? Let me try. I actually want to learn how to cook because I feel like, I don't know if I am right, but it feels like cooking is like my love language. People like me showing up and doing something for you is the way I express my love. Like if I show up for you, like you call me, you ask for my help, and I actually show up for you, that means I like you. I love boring or helping is my way of showing people that I love them. That's it. So I've added that one. Add this one. I'm going to use. It actually has aroma. I'm not lying. It's really nice. Hey, thank God. My brother will always say it smells not mean it will taste nice. I put this one. Really comes out. I knew they were going to take this light because there's been lights all day. Like they've only taken it for about 30 minutes today. So I knew that once it's closing hour, they will take this light. I decided to start cooking. So my problem is always that whenever I am cooking, I feel like I don't have enough groundnut oil. But I have realized that it is a lie. It is a way of this food making me feel like I'm not going to add more to this one. I'm going to leave it to fry up, and I'll go ahead now to add all my seasoning, salt, all those things. I don't know if I should use the jollof rice spice that I have. I don't want anything to mess for efforts. Okay, so I don't know. No, what do you guys think? It's funny how when YouTubers are filming, they'll keep asking their audience, what do you think? When you can't even make a decision for us, like you can't even advise us at that point in time. You probably only advise us for. I'm going to wash my hand. You probably only advise us for like upcoming videos, right? That could be very funny. I find it very funny. I'm so chatty in today's vlog. Like this is a different personality. This is a different person in this vlog. I can't say I don't like using salt, but I like using Maggi. So I don't know. When you marry someone that knows how to cook, it's a problem. It's a blessing. So, because they can easily tell you, oh, I think this was very wrong, and they can also cook. Yes. So I use curry and thyme. My goodness. I like thyme more than curry. Why? I don't know why. I don't know how long I'm meant to leave this for, but I'm going to lower the heat so that it can really fry well and just cover it up. Like the heat is on the lowest. I am not even capping. This actually sounds really good. So I'm going to go in with my rice. I have chicken in the freezer, so I already brought that out, fried. Still on low. What I am adding is actually hot water, like boiled water. I'm not adding too much so that it doesn't get soggy. To increase it a bit. to medium, back to medium. I cook slowly. So I know like people would normally use oil paper. Is that what it's called? I actually add the, I don't know if I should use it, so I just leave it like this. I think. Cover you with the blood of Jesus. I'm going to sit down. This is what we currently have. I am going to reduce the heat first. But it's actually smelling so nice. Like it is actually smelling smoky. So I want to say, oof, you see, Ado. Maybe it was too much. Actually, it's tasting nice. Hey! Just a little bit of water. Because I don't want it to be soggy. I want it to stand. Also, like when it's almost done, I want to add butter. So I reduce the heat now. To rate this food 1/10. 10 being the highest. What will you rate it? Be sincere.
Well, this is 8.
8/10. It is finished. It is finished.
Coming together between Haaland and Harry Maguire. Didn't see what happened. We're going to take another little look at it now. Haaland turns past Evans.
Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday, and I want to film Sunday morning routine. More likely, get ready with me for church. So it's 7:15 currently. I've been awake since 7 a.m. and I was just having time with God. So I always wake up first on Sunday morning because I take more time to get ready. And this Sunday morning, I also want to get some things done before we head out. Church is at 10 a.m. So let's get ready for church. So I would always iron our church garments the night before. Like that is what I have always done. I don't wait till Sunday morning to iron our clothes. And the thing is, ironing for me is not a chore. So nobody can actually iron to my satisfaction for me. So now I started a small business in the house. So now I am just checking what I did last night. I have a catfish soup I want to make. And what else actually? And I also quickly make like a short video for my business page. So let's see if I can get all of that done before 9:30. to talk.